So in this video today we are talking about that missing number library in Python. So do you have messy data sets or missing values in your data sets? So this tool will help further to easy to find that missing data and to find the corrupted data with a visual summary of the completeness of your data. That's why this library we are going to use. So this library is most underrated library, but I'm damn sure this library will very helpful for the data engineers. Coming to the video, so I'm going to open the Jupyter Lab notebook and I'm going to install the pip install missing number. So I'm just installing. Here it is. So this library I'm already installed my machine, so for the video purpose I'm just reinstalling that. So that's why it shows requirement already satisfied, right? So after that I'm going to take that New York City motor vehicle collision data set. So in that I'm going to import pandas as pd, type collisions equal to pt dot read csv. So inside that I'm already copied that New York collision data set. So in my local, so I'm just paste it. So this URL I can paste in the description below, and once I executed that part, the line will be executed now. So after that now I have a data set, so I need to find the inside the data set I need to find out any missing values are there, any corrupted data are there in that large amount of data set actually. So I'm going to import missing number or Missingno. I'm already using the Jupyter Lab notebook, right? So I'm going to call the matplotlib inline. So after that Missingno dot matrix. So inside that we have a data frame, right? So inside the data set I'm added collisions dot sample. So that 25 sample things I'm just added, and let me close it. If I executed that, it will be processing. So once the processing is done, so inside the data set you can find that date, time, and the zip code, latitude, longitude, location, street name, so all those things there actually. So inside that the date no one is missing actually, time no one is missing, but that zip code level and street name level and the number of persons injured and contributing factor vehicle 2, so some of that lot of columns were missing actually. Missing number dot matrix, it's a nullity matrix actually, right? So it will be data dense to display, which let you to quickly visually pick out the pattern in the data completion. So that's why we use that missing number dot matrix method. And so the next part, see like that, right? So if there is any missing data, it will be show like that. So the white column and the white line will be the missing data, right? So that next part I'm going to visualizing by the column in the chat bar. So in that part I'm just take missing number dot bar. So these are the two main functions in user in that library. So sample I'm gonna take 1000. So if I run that, see, so the number of columns, how many columns we missed out actually. So the date 1000, the full columns date valid dates are there actually, time level also there, but that zip code and location, street name, so in that part 947 and 864 855 fields only there actually at the thousands of data set actually. So it's pretty awesome, right? So like that we can easy to find out the missing data and the missing counts, so we can get from there actually. So and after that it will support the heat map also. Let me run number dot heat map collisions. So if I run that, so before that things I am just taking the sample level 250 and 1000 at the heat map level, I'm going to take the full thing actually. So in that you can see that, so zip code and a street name. So based on that it will be taking that, so 0.75. So the missing number correlation heat map measures the nullity of correlation, right? So how strongly presence or absence of one of the variable affects on the presence of another, right? So that's why heat map works actually. So in this example, it seems that reports which are filled with the off street name, right? This is the off street name. So variable are less likely, variable are less likely complete the geography data, right? So the null correlation ranges from the -1 and -1 to 1, right? So the nullity correlation ranges obviously 1 to -1. So this is the heat map, and the next part, it's called a dendrogram. So the dendrogram allows you to more fully correlate a variable completion, right, revealing the trends deeper into the pairwise one visible to the another correlation heat map, right? So let me run. You will get some better understand. Msno dot dendrogram. Along with that, I am just pausing that collisions. Yeah, so these are the main things will be missed actually. So it will be that data will be get from the this dendrogram method. Okay, so the dendrogram uses the historical clustering algorithm actually. So hope you guys you will get some understand about that missing number. So if you are a data engineer or if you are going to work with the data, so that data will large amount of data. So in the data, any missing values or missing character data is there, so you don't need to worry about that. Just simply import that missing number library and you can just play whatever you can actually. Hope you guys you will get some understand. Keep subscribe my channel and share it to your friends, colleague. Thanks, love you all, cheers, bye.